Are you okay? Damn, it suddenly rains. I'm gonna miss this city. What? Oh, yeah, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna open the door. Hurry, it's raining outside. Are you okay? That's good to hear. You can put that over there. Yeah, that's fine. And go and dry it while I prepare something. Hey? No, you don't have to assemble that. You'll still do it? Oh no, come on. Just leave it, dude. Just let it be. I'll assemble it once I get there. Can you help with something? No. Just go take a seat on the sofa. Aren't you tired? You'll head home? Wait! Seeing the rain is only starting to fall, how about you stay for a bit? I made us some hot cocoa. Yes, really. And I use the same recipe from our childhood. Here you go. And scooch over, I'm freezing. Hey, you're just as feisty as ever. Let it cool first. It's still hot, you know? Give it a minute and then drink it, stupid. How's the cocoa? Good? Thanks again for accompanying me to buy stuff for my flight. It sure was a hustle. I'm sorry to drag you out of your house, seeing you don't like the outside. I needed a hand on moving out, you know. Everybody's busy somehow, so I really appreciate it. And, oh yeah, are you still down to take me to the airport tomorrow? Yeah? Oh, that's awesome. Though it will be a bummer if it rains again, don't you think? I never got used to it. I guess so. Damn, it's really raining hard, huh? Kinda reminds me of the time we went surfing. We rode the waves like we're having the time of our lives. Not a single thought of responsibility. And it just rained suddenly. But you and your antics. Surfing while it's raining? Yeah, that's a good idea. I don't know how you were able to get out of that rogue wave with a smile. You mad lad. Yeah, you scared the shit out of me. We really thought you were gonna die that day. Yeah, all of us. All of your friends too, you dumbass. That's why we always worry about you whenever we go out. We always found you in dangerous situations. Hey, as much as you think of it as a joke, I worried about you. We don't want to lose you. I don't want to lose you. I'm blushing? No, I'm not. And so what if I am? I'm just worried about my friend, you know? And I want you to promise me that you won't do anything stupid while I'm gone. And yes, I'm serious, okay? Okay. But I have to admit, I sure do miss it. Yeah, even the time you put yourself in danger. What? Why are you smiling? Is there something on my face? Yeah, come on, dude, what is it? Just tell me. It's nothing? Ah, you big oof. Ah, I get it. You still find it very weird if I keep staring at the sky, huh? Yeah, I make silly wishes and daydream about the past. What is it to you? If I'm not mistaken, you're also the one who told me whenever we have problems, we should look up and hope for the best. And it did give me hope. Every time I felt something missing, thinking what I can do in order to make my life complete. And I know now what to do. I'm just mustering up the courage to do it, you know? On what? Well, Your parents are calling you. What do they want? They want you to go home now? Okay. I guess it is getting late, so be safe, alright? Hmm? Hey, why the sad face? Is everything alright? If you want me to be honest, will you stay then? I don't want to hide this anymore. I'm running out of time and this is getting harder by the minute. I just need a breather. Okay, here we go. I'm right here with you, and nothing is gonna change that. I want to tell you something before I go, because I don't want to have any regrets anymore. You know those times where I seem unsure of something whenever we're alone? I wanted to say that I love you so much, but chose not to, and I don't know why. As corny as it seems, it felt like I was incomplete whenever I do that. The person you knew who has all the answers to life has no answer for these kind of things, which is why I'm feeling this way. But I finally have it. When I finally saw you for the first time again after I moved away, it really comforted me. You made me feel whole again without doing a goddamn thing. And I was like a kid again, wishing every night the time could speed up just to see you, in order for me to have another chance to tell you, in order for me to have a reason to fall in love. I've been trying and wanting so hard to say I love you, and you love me too? Oh, finally. How long have you been harboring these feelings? Since knowing I'm going away? You don't want to have any regrets as well? Same here. Oh, I'm so glad I confessed to you. What was that? Another one crossed out on the bucket list? Yeah, I finally have my special someone too. Hey, if it's okay with you, can we just sleep here? Why? I don't want to let you go. That's why. Just for tonight? Please? Oh, come on, your parents will understand. We'll just say it's raining too hard. Which kinda is true, by the way. Huh? I look... I look sleepy. I know, but I'm trying not to, 'cause I want to hold you while I'm awake, feeling you close to me isn't enough. I just want to see you embrace me. I want to hear your heartbeat. I want to stop time for a moment so I can hold you longer and tell you all I want you to hear. From the reasons why I fell in love to the things I want us to do together for the rest of our lives. Funny, remember what I said earlier? I always wanted to speed up time in order for us to be together. But tonight, I want time to slow down. Yeah, I figured we couldn't do that. But it won't hurt to try, right? Tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll leave and we'll be on our own for a while. But I think I'll focus on the now. I'll focus on you with the little time we have. 'Cause I just love you so much.